Here's how to attach a document in Gmail. So for that, you need to go to mail.google.com, or you can also launch the Gmail application. Then after, click on Compose in the top left corner of your screen. A menu will appear, and enter the specific Gmail where you want to send the email with the document. Enter your subject, and then after, click on this icon right here, which is indicating attach files. Select it. Now go ahead and select a specific document that you want to send. I have selected the Word document for this tutorial. Then write a message that you want to convey. Then after, select send, which is highlighted in blue color. But you also have the option to schedule send if you want. And along with that, you can use the formatting options. You can also insert a link if you like. You can also add emojis, and you can insert files using Drive, insert photo, insert signature, and go through other different settings and set it according to your preference. Then after, click on send, which is highlighted in blue color, or you can also press Ctrl and enter on your keyboard and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.